Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize AWS Secrets Manager for model training credentials step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Secrets Manager service. Select Store a new secret. Choose the type of secret you wish to store, such as other type of secret. Input the key value pairs for your. Click Next to proceed. Enter a name for your secret that reflects its purpose. Optionally, provide a description for additional context. Click Next to continue. Configure the rotation settings if desired. Select Next to review your configurations. Confirm your settings and click Store to save your secret. Next, navigate to the IAM service within the console. Select Policies from the left-hand menu. Click Create Policy. Choose the JSON tab to define your policy. Enter a policy document that allows access to your secret in Secrets Manager. For example, specify actions like Secrets Manager get secret value and define the resource. Review the policy in the visual editor if needed. Click Review Policy to proceed. Provide a name and description for your policy. Then, click Create Policy to finalize it. Now, return to the IAM dashboard. Select Roles from the left menu. Click Create Role. Choose the service that will use this role, for example, SageMaker. Click Next, Permissions to proceed. Search for the policy you created earlier. Select the policy to attach it to the role. Click Next, Tags to add any necessary tags. Review the role details and click Create Role to save it. Now you have successfully authorized AWS Secrets Manager for your model training credentials. You can begin using these credentials securely in your training jobs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.